back to my YouTube channel. This is Prakash. In this lecture we are going to see how to install the React.js and how to set up the React.js in our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's get started to our video. So in this session we are going to see what is React.js and what are the features of React.js and how to install the React.js on our Windows. Okay, so firstly we will see what is React.js. So before going to the React.js, we have to know what is a JS. Okay, so JS is nothing but a JavaScript. So JavaScript is a scripting language which or where we can use for both front-end applications and also back-end applications. Okay, so it can act as both front-end and also as back-end. Okay, so it is also used for creating dynamic applications. So dynamic applications is nothing but interactive applications where user can interact with the application. Okay, so here React.js is nothing but it is an open source library where it is used for the JavaScript. Okay, so why React.js? So it is also used for creating the applications where in the fast manner and users can interact with the web. Okay, and also it is used for the mobile applications. Okay, so it is very easy to create a dynamic applications in React. Okay, so why? Because it requires a less amount of code. Okay, and in case of JavaScript it will take a lot of or a bunch of code. Okay, so to reduce that we will use this React.js. Okay, so and also it offers more functionalities. So finally what we should know is, so React.js is a library where it is used to reduce the a lot of amount of code. Okay, next, so what are the features of React.js? So we should know what are the features. So why we are using this React.js and why this React.js and what are the advantages. Okay, so these two are the major features and also these are the advantages of React.js. Okay, so React.js is a where it contains components. Okay, so components here is nothing but a part, like a part of code. Okay, so or it may be also called a block of code. For example, let us take an application where we will contain a navbar and a header section or landing page and also a footer page. So these are the common steps that are present in an application, right? So firstly there will be a header section and therefore a landing page, and finally we will have the footer page, right? So in case of HTML, CSS or JavaScript, it will take a lot of amount of code, right? So to write all these steps. So in case of React.js, when we are creating that particular header component or landing page component and footer component, then it took a less amount of code, and wherever we want to use this component we can also use that in place of where we want. Okay, so let us see what is a reusable component in the definition. So a single React app consists of many components. Each components have their own logic and code, right? So a single application contains a lot of components where each component have their own code and own logic. Okay, and we can reuse these components wherever we want. Okay, so for this usage we will have a lot of amount and we will reduce the developers time, and also it increases the efficiency. Okay, so that the developers can work a lot or more amount of time. So and it is also very uh, good advantage, right? And next, coming to the debugging, React app can also contain debug feature. Okay, so React can be easily debugged using React developer tools. So we will have the extension called React developer tools. Okay, it will be available in the extension browser, so we can download that So by using that React developer tools, we can also uh, where we can see the code like in the format of HTML and CSS like that. Okay, so where the user can easily understand the code. So it will be available in both Chrome and as well as Firefox. Okay, next, coming to the installation of React.js on the Windows. Okay, so uh, here there are total of 7 steps. So let us see each step in the brief. So firstly, step 1. So here firstly we will install the Node.js from the browser. Okay, so for that let me show how to open if there is Node.js in your system. Okay, so go on to the browser and search for Node.js. You will find this website where you can open this and see here we will have the recommended for most users. We will have this LTS, right? So only install this LTS or left side one. So this is the main one. So if you don't have this Node.js in your system, please go through this and download. Okay, so after completion of download, please set up the installation process and later on open command prompt. Okay, so let's see next step. Okay, so second step is open command prompt and we should check whether the Node.js is installed or not. Okay, and step 3 is we have to install the React app globally. Okay, by this command we have to install it. And step 4 is creating folder for our React app. Okay, by using mkdir new folder we will create that. And step 5 we will have we should create another folder inside the application. Okay, so where before we created one directory, right? So in that we have to create a folder and we have to name it. Okay, so and coming to the step 6, we will open the IDE and we will go to the terminal and we will start our uh, npm. Here npm is nothing but node package manager, where we will use this command. Okay, so let's see each step in detail. Okay, so this is the step 1. So see, firstly we will go through the browser and install the Node.js. Okay, so this is the interface where you will find and go through this one and install it. Okay, and after the installation just accept all the settings and click on the next button. Okay, so next step is open your terminal and after opening your terminal just check your version of node. Okay, so by giving this command node hyphen node space minus or hyphen v. Okay, so give this and check whether the Node.js is installed or not. Okay, let me show you. So this is terminal where I already downloaded this Node.js and see, I have entered this node and I have given this. So version is v20. So okay, 20 version is downloaded correctly. And next one. So next step is, so we have to install the React app globally. Okay, so for that we have to give npm install -g create React app. This is the command you should give properly. Okay, so that it will download globally or install globally. Okay, so see here, so this is the interface looks like after. So after installing this, it will take a time and after that just give this command. Okay, create React app and hyphen hyphen version, so that whatever you have downloaded, so it will give the version of it. Okay, so if the React app is installed properly, then you will find the version of it. Okay, let me go. Okay, see here, npm install -g create react app, so that 67 packages or something it will be downloaded. And next this is the step, sorry, this is the create react app hyphen version, so that it will give the version. Okay, so see here, it gave me 5.0.1, something like this. Okay, so after that, okay, so we have installed globally. Okay, so after creating the application, so next we have to create the new folder. Okay, so create the new folder where you want to make your react application. Okay, so using this command mkdir, and you have to give in place of new folder whatever the folder name you want to give, so just give it that. Okay, so make mkdir and give it the name. Okay, so after that enter. So let me show you how it works in the terminal. See here, I have given mkdir for a new folder. Okay, next, so next you have to give the, you have to change the directory where we created previously, right? So I have given the name as a new folder itself. So after giving that cd new folder space cd space new folder, enter this command and you will change the directory. Okay, so to the new folder. Next, step 5 is create react app and react first and give the app name. Okay, so enter this command, so that installation of all our packages will be done here. So where the react will be installed, and react dom and react scripts and other all the packages will be installed. Okay, so it will take a couple of 2 to 3 minutes if the network speed is high, otherwise it will take 5 minutes. Okay, so based on your network connection. Okay, so after installation, let me show you how it looks. See here, I have created this create react app and react first, and I have given the name as code with Prakash. And after that all the installation of packages is done. And see here, 145 like 1486 packages are installed, so it will take a little amount of time. Okay, so that I have not showed you the video, so I'm just showing this. Okay, so after that all the dependencies will be get installed. Okay, see here. Okay, so you will find like this happy hacking all those things. Okay, finally, next, so this step is completed, and step 6, we should open the IDE. Okay, so whatever the if in case you don't have Visual Studio Code, just go through the browser and download it from there, and after that uh, accept all the settings and terms and conditions. After that, just you will find like this. Okay, so you have to open the folder whatever we have created before. Okay, so let me show you the Visual Studio Code. So this is the, see here you will find a file button here, so just go through that and open folder. So whatever the folder you have created, you will be seen here. Okay, so just go through that and select that and select the folder finally. Okay, so you will find these modules here. So there are a lot of or so many modules here. So see here, node modules and public and src, where the components will be present here, and you will find also git ignore. So see here, there are so many things like this. So why these are, so why, because when we are pushing our code to the GitHub, it will take a lot of time, right? So to reduce the amount of time, we will block some of the packages. Okay, so they are not useful for our application, so that we are ignoring that. So that's why we are using this git ignore. Just I'm saying for the understanding purpose, so just know what it is. That's it. And after that, here you will find the terminal. Okay, so go through the new terminal and you will find like this. So just give cd react first. Okay, and after that the final step is, so see here, so we have created cd react app, and final step is npm start. Okay, so just give it here, npm start. Okay, so actually my application is already running in the browser, so that's why it is asking me to uh, run in another port instead. So that's why, so I'm just giving no. Why? Because I will show you. See, already it is running in the browser. Okay, you will find like this finally. Okay, so we have successfully created an application in our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is the overall procedure. Okay, okay, so this is how it looks like after final. You will enter this command npm start, so that all the, so you will find this the final output. So check your browser. Okay, so I think you have successfully installed the React applications. Okay, and you can create more number of applications using this React. Okay, so congratulations for that. And so thanks for watching this, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel Code with Prakash. Thank you.